Good evening. As many of you have said that you're not sure where to find the homework assignments, I thought I'd walk you through that process real quickly. So let me start with the screen share and show you the class as you would see it on Blackboard. So I'm now entering a class, the Accounting 202 class obviously, and I'm going to shift the mode to the student view so that you will see exactly on my screen what you would see on your computer. So here in the tabs, you have chapter folders. You can get to the homework assignments from here, or you can go through tools. Let me first show you through the chapter folders. When you click on chapter folders, you have the three groups. Go into the first group, group 1, and the very first folder you will see is graded assignments. When you click on this tab, you're going to see the assignments that are graded. That's chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 assignments, homework assignments, are due this Friday. The extra credit assignments are not due this Friday, but it probably makes more sense for you to work on those before you actually do the homework problem. Let me take you to the Tools menu. I'll click on Tools over here. You can scroll all the way down and get to Wiley Plus. When you click on Wiley Plus, the third option is Wiley Plus Assignments. Select this, and you need to move into the Assignments folder over here. Now what you will see over here is all the assignments that I have given you. This is the entire list of assignments. If it appears over here, it means it's active, which means you have access to it. Now what you will see is the first 4 over here are due on June 5th, that's this Friday by 5 p.m. All of these assignments have to be done by 5 p.m. on Friday. Now, the ones that you see with no due date on it, these are just for practice. These are things that I've listed in the chapter folder. So you will see brief exercises, the videos for the chapters. So logically, I would like you to read the chapter, watch the videos, practice the brief assignments before you get to do the Orion and the homework assignment. Once again, chapters 1 through 4, the homework assignments are due on June 5th, that's this Friday. Get these done as quickly as possible. And also remember, you have multiple attempts on these assignments. I suggest you submit it so that you could see if you're right or wrong. If you're wrong, see if you can figure it out and resubmit it. If not, send me an email so I can help you through it. In a lot of cases, the mistakes you made are very simple. It may be just a number that you didn't input it correctly, as in the formatting is not correct. So don't waste time. Send me an email if you get it wrong so I can work through with you. Now let me go back over here again to the chapter folders and go back to group 1, the graded assignments. Your first exam, when it becomes available on Sunday morning, this is where you can access it, or you can go to the Wiley Plus tab directly and get it from there. If you click on the exam 1 format, here you will see the format of the exam, what you can expect on this exam. You're given more details over here about the exam. Again, going back to graded assignments, I also have created another link over here, and this is for the Wiley Plus 24/7 chat. So if you click on this, it takes you to an external site, and this external site over here will tell you some common issues that students have. The first and the last one, I'd like you to take a few minutes and look at it. The first one talks about clearing the cache on your computer. Cache is basically the temporary memory, all those cookies that are stored. You want to clear that because that tends to pose problems when you're doing something on an assignment. And if there's a cache that somehow causes problems, so always clear the cache. If you go through this article, it walks you through the process. Also, timed assignments, it gives you more information. Basically, anytime you have a timed assignment, you cannot open anything else on Wiley Plus. Do not have anything else open on your computer. The only timed assignment you're going to have for this class are your 3 exams. Nothing else is timed. So exams are timed. They're time sensitive, as in they have a due date. Homework have due dates, but they're not timed. All the other things, there's no time limit, and the Orion will be due on the last day of the class. I'll send you reminders for that later on. Okay, if you have problems with Wiley Plus, even as you're doing homework, that is technical issues with Wiley Plus, go to this chat with an expert, click on this over here, and it's going to ask you for your name and email address. And the subject of the chat, you can just say Wiley Plus problem. And when you start the chat, someone is going to talk to you and walk you through the process. And they are really good. They will help you. Be patient, ask them the questions you want, and they will tell you what the issue is. So once again, I hope this helps you in terms of identifying where the assignments are, the ones that are graded. Again, if you have any questions, please send me an email. Good luck, and I hope to hear from all of you very soon.